Welcome to Session 24, Number Sense and Measurement Problem Control. This capstone focuses on method selection. Mixed problems do not announce which rule to use. You will restate the target, estimate sign and magnitude, model relationships with visible units, solve in labeled steps, and reject answers that fail mathematical or practical checks. Begin by restating the requested quantity and unit. Separate given information from what must be inferred. Estimate sign and magnitude. Then select a representation, operation, conversion, or formula. Solve with units visible. Finally, check sign, size, unit type, precision, and context before accepting the result. A 12-foot by 10-foot floor uses tiles that each cover 1.5 square feet. First, find floor area. 12 times 10 equals 120 square feet. Then divide by 1.5 square feet per tile. The units cancel to tiles, and the result is 80 tiles. A tank holds 18.5 liters and drains at 750 milliliters per minute. Convert liters to 18,500 milliliters. Divide by the rate. Milliliters cancel, leaving approximately 24.7 minutes. An estimate of about 25 minutes confirms the scale. Learner reports 0.036 centimeters for 3.6 meters. This cannot be reasonable because centimeters are smaller, so more centimeters are needed for the same length. Multiply 3.6 by 100. The correct conversion is 360 centimeters. Before accepting an answer, check sign, magnitude, unit, precision, and context. Reject negative physical lengths, probabilities outside 0 to 1, areas reported in linear units, fractional counts when whole items are required, and calculator displays far from the estimate. Write a brief reasonableness sentence. Capstone checkpoint. Which 4 controls should agree before accepting a final answer? Check magnitude, sign, unit, and context. Precision is also important when rounding is specified. The correct choice is B, because a result must fit both the mathematics and the practical situation. You have completed the course. Restate every target with its unit, estimate sign, and magnitude. Choose a relationship instead of reacting to a keyword, solve in labeled steps, and verify with inverse operations, dimensional analysis, and context. Continue reviewing and practicing at bridge2exam.com.